Okay, I'm going to pick it up right here. We've got our 6-inch run just to the left of the row of washers, and I'm just going to extend a horizontal 6-inch over to the first washer, and I might move it up just a bit. And then I'm going to leave the pipe size on 6 and select stack and just click on it. Once it's pulled the stack, I can raise it up to whatever height I want. I no longer need the text, so I'll delete it. And I want to change this fitting here to a trap. So I'm going to right click the downstream pipe, click change fitting, select trap, click OK. Now, in order to do a sanitary tee off of that riser, off of that standpipe, I'm going to have to first set up a 6-inch sanitary tee by going to Settings, Fitting Dimensions, find Sanitary Tee, PVC, select the size, and the size is going to be 6 by 6 by 6, all three outlets. And the dimensions are going to be, A is going to be 5 inches, C is also 5, and B is 8.5. Click Save Settings and close. Now, here's another little thing I've got to do. I'm going to have to isolate that standpipe from these washers. Otherwise, it's going to try to connect one of those washers to the standpipe, and I don't want to do that. So in the viewfinder, I'm going to have to draw a long square rectangle just around that standpipe, and that will isolate the washers. Let me try that again. I don't think it was quite narrow enough. Okay, that will isolate the washing machines, and now I should be able to draw a horizontal branch off of the standpipe, and I can see that it is indeed rising upstream in the correct direction. And now I can click on that and raise or lower it to whatever height. I'm going to leave it just above the floor. And without resetting the viewfinder, I'm going to attach 3-inch vertical risers, one behind each washer, 3-inch vertical standpipes. Of course, you can add as many as you need. And then you might want to leave a little, you might want to leave the 6-inch pipe exposed on the end for a clean out, and put a clean out cover over the end of it. Oops. Now I have to reduce that to 3-inch. And you could also reduce this to 3-inch. But it wants to know about the dimensions of a 6x3 bushing. So I will go in and put that in now. Settings, fitting dimensions, find bushing, PVC. We'll go 6 and 3. And that dimension is going to be, I don't know, something like 1 inch. Save and close. And now I can reduce that standpipe down to 3-inch. And there you have it. Now the code might require that to be 4-inch in order to clean out this trap. And if it does, just go to fitting dimensions, find bushing, PVC 6 and 4, and it gives you almost 2 inches there. So it was already in there. And so we could do this, and that will satisfy the clean out requirement for that trap. Anyway, I wasn't able to determine why it kept drawing a dashed line. Maybe it has something to do with the background plan file. I'll do some further checking on that. Anyway, I hope this helps. I'll send a copy of this file along with this video.